Convection. Here's our learning target. Describe heat transfer through convection. Now it asks us to describe, not define. So we cannot just give the definition. Describe means to tell everything you know about it in words. So we're describing convection. Here's what convection is. It's heat transfer in liquids and gases where the hot, less dense material rises and the cooler, denser material sinks. Now, it's a few things that are important here. First of all, it happens in liquids and gases. We call those fluids. Second thing that's important to know is that anytime fluids are hot, they are less dense. This causes them to rise. Anytime they are cold, they're going to be more dense, which causes them to sink. So once again, heat transfer in liquids and gases where the hot, less dense material rises and the cooler, denser material sinks. Now, if you recall in class, one of the ways we demonstrated this was with Chinese sky lanterns, very similar to hot air balloons. We lit the wax block on fire, which heated up the air inside the Chinese sky lantern. This air inside the lantern is warmer than the air outside. And because it's warmer, it's less dense, which means it wants to rise. In hot air balloons, the air inside the balloon is heated by the fire, causing it to be less dense to rise above the air surrounding it. However, when we want the hot air balloon to come down, we have to open the hole in the top of the balloon and let that hot air escape. So, in this example, the air inside the balloon here gets hot. Remember, we said that hot things are less dense, so it's going to cause it to rise. And then, as you can see in this picture, it floats away. It continues to rise, trying to get above the cooler, denser air around it. Okay, I always like to use the lava lamp to explain convection because it's a very easy way to actually visualize convection currents. So take a look. Okay. So we've been talking about convection, and this is a lava lamp, one of my favorite demonstrations for convection because it allows us to visually see it so well. So we know that convection is heat transfer in liquids and gases, where the hot, less dense material rises, cools off, becomes more dense, and falls. This cycle continues as long as there's a heat source. That's called convection currents. Now, in the lava lamp, we have a light bulb down here in this base. That is our heat source. Without the light bulb, the lava lamp does not work. The light bulb creates enough heat that when the goo is at the bottom, it heats it up. That causes it to become less dense, and as you can see, this glob of goo, it's less dense, so it rises to the top. Now, when it gets up here to the top, it's further away from the light bulb. It cools down just enough while it's away from the heat source that it becomes more dense. And as it becomes more dense, it's going to, as this gob is doing, it's going to fall right back down to the bottom.